Hi, it's Sven Jungbeck again, and I show you now the miracle chord of jazz, which is actually a half diminished chord, because depending on the bass note, a half diminished chord can be the dominant 7/9 chord or a minor 6 chord. And I'm doing it in the key of E half diminished, and then it's a C dominant 7/9 chord or a G minor 6 chord. And this is very useful because Django only had these two fingers, and so he could play 3 chords with only this voicing, which is very good if you only have 2 fingers for chords in your left hand. So, and of course it's also good for the licks and all the stuff, because it means that every lick that you learn for E half diminished works exactly the same way for C dominant 7/9 or G minor 6, and this is just brilliant. But let's start with the chords. The most common voicings are of course this one. The first finger is playing the E, and then my third finger is playing B flat, D, and G. And you can also do this with these 2 fingers, depending on what comes next. So the next important voicing is exactly the same one actually. Up in the 7th fret happens a lot. These are exactly the same notes. It only looks different because of the third between G and B string. We have the E 7th fret on the A string, then the ring finger is playing the B flat, second finger is playing the D, and the pinky is playing the G up the 8th fret. Then there are 2 very good chop voicings. This one you can play this one in a solo context, and it's natural D on the G string, a natural E on the B string, 5th fret, and B flat. Then you can play this one, pretty common. Second finger is playing G, 10th fret on the A string, D string is muted. Then 9th fret you have the E with the first finger, and the pinky is playing B flat, B string, 11th fret. Then another very useful chop chord is this one. And it looks like a normal campfire D dominant 7 chord up in the 12th fret with G, B flat, and E. And when you play this chord, there's one good option note that you can play, an A, because the A is also fitting for all 3 chord types. When we have an E half diminished chord, the A makes it an E half diminished 11 chord. When we have the C dominant 7/9 chord, the A makes it a C dominant 7/9 13. And when we have the G minor 6 chord, the A makes it a G minor 6/9 chord. And it sounds great an octave higher. And the A note can also be played up here, like this. This is also a great voicing. The ring finger is now playing G, the first finger is playing B flat, 8th fret on the D string, then the middle finger is playing the E note, 9th fret on the G string, and the pinky is playing the A, 10th fret on the B string. Now I will demonstrate that these voicings are perfect for example, C dominant 7. Let's pretend we have a band playing C dominant 7 in a blues or in a tune like Honeysuckle Rose, where there's a lot of C dominant 7. And now let's pretend we have a G minor 6 chord, for example in a tune like Blues en mineur. Sounds very good. And now let's pretend we have E half diminished, and then we go from A dominant 7 to D minor, because this is the 3rd option. So this is a very cool chord, and of course course, learn all these chords. That will help you a lot. And in the next video, I will show you how you can use arpeggios and licks for all these 3 chords. Because you only have to learn 1 arpeggio for 3 chords, and there are a lot of cool Django licks that dealing with that notes. So, see you next time. Bye.